So right now everything that you're hearing is coming from this microphone, and you can see when I get closer it gets a little louder. We're going to listen for any kind of distortion. Further away, further away, further away. And right now there's also a lot of background noise going on. There's the noise from my very loud clock that looks really good but makes a lot of noise, and of course from my computer on the right side. So there's plenty that it has to deal with, and we're going to see just how much it picks up on that. Plus, we're going to take a look at some of the features on it. So it's missing out on something like a mute button. There's no mute button on here. But it does have a lot of things. It has this pop filter, so this is what it sounds like without it. No pop filter. Pop, 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 pop. And with the pop filter, pop, 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 pop. So hopefully that's going to sound a little bit better with that. Next is a cardioid. It's unidirectional, so that means it's going to be picking up less noise from the rear as it is from the front. So it also has this nice shock mount, right? So this is going to prevent things from like vibrations. So if I tap on the table, you'll still be able to hear it, but it's not going to be reverberating through the mic. So if I like type on my keyboard, you won't be able to hear it clearly. So let's go ahead and listen and see what it sounded like. No pop filter. Pop, 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 pop. And with the pop filter. All right, so I think that sounded pretty good. Obviously, the closer I get to it, the better it sounds, in my opinion. The further away you get, the more comfortable I am. The arm that comes with it, I mean, it's fairly adjustable. The cord does come out the bottom, so you do have to kind of deal with it. I tried running it through the arm so that I could get it out of the way. Didn't really work as is. You can take these nuts off and then run it through, so that's an option. It's just more effort than I wanted to put through right now. But overall, I mean, you want it to be a mic, so you want it to sound really good. I think this mic sounds really good.